Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are looking at, for every algebraic expression, how do we determine the number of terms? What variables are there in this algebraic expression? And what are the coefficients of the respective variables? And what are the constant term? Alright, so that is the purpose of this video. And let's take a look. For row number 1, we have 2x plus 3y plus 8. And how do we count the number of terms? 1, 2, 3. And therefore, you can see that the answer for the number of terms is 3. And so, let's start with number of terms, okay? So for row number 2, a minus 3b plus 1, one term, negative 3b is another term, positive 1 is also another term. So for this particular question, we would have 3. Continue. Negative 2xy is one term. Xz positive is one term. Negative 4 is another term. So again, this one would have 3 terms. And for the last row, a is one term. Negative half ab is another term. So this one we will have 2 terms. And let's start to list the variable. So for row 1, the variable are x and y. And let's explain x and y here. So the variable for row number 2 will be a and b, the letters. So in this case here, a and b. And do take note now though, the variable in row 3, we see them collectively as x and y. Okay? And if we see a product, they belong to one variable together. Okay? We see the product as one variable itself. Same goes for row number 4, where the variable is a and ab. Do take note, a and ab are 2 different variables. And now, as we look at the coefficient of a for row number 2, if there's no number, actually the number is 1. So the coefficient of a would be 1. And for the b in row b, I do see the coefficient. Do take note, the sign in front of the coefficient belongs to them. Meaning for b, in this case, is negative 3. Here. So xy will be negative 2. And if there's no number, the number is 1. Coefficient will be, again, there's no number, the number is 1. And this will be my coefficient, negative half, or sometimes people can write it as negative 0.5. Alright? And so, let's move on to the last constant term. Constant term are numbers that do not have a variable. This is the constant term. This is as well. This is also. And if there's no constant term, the constant term simply means 0. Alright? And so, as I fill in the table, the last reminder for all would then be the sign, be it positive or negative before a term, belongs to that term. Okay? With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.